guys, welcome back to my channel for today's video. I'm so excited, I'm so giddy because I have an unboxing. Stick around if you want to see what is in this box. Okay, you guys, I've been good long enough. I have not done an unboxing in, I don't know, a month. So, you guys, I'm past due for an unboxing. So this is something that I've wanted forever. If you've been watching my channel and you read the thumbnail, you might have a clue what it is. So let's get into this box. Oh my gosh, I just noticed I don't have any earrings in my first hole. I feel naked. I just feel naked, but I'm too excited right now to go put on earrings because I can't wait. You guys are not gonna believe this, but I have had this an entire day and I have not. This is a true unboxing because I truly wanted to unbox this with you guys, and we're gonna do that right now. I'm not gonna keep you waiting, but I'm really happy about it, and I do want to say this is just because I wanted it. I don't have an excuse for it. I could say it's my 5,000 subscriber gift to myself, but it's not. I could say a lot of things, but I'm just going to tell you the truth. I just wanted it. So, here it is. Let's remove the tissue paper. Ta-da! Oh yeah, you guys, it's the black box. It's the black box with the chameleon. Camellia. Okay. I think that this is a long time coming. Let me just put it that way. So let's just go ahead, lift the top off. I bought it pre-loved. Oh goodness, I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Oh yeah, guys. You probably knew this was coming, right? You knew this was coming. Let me just... Welcome to the family. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh, welcome to the family, little one. Oh, she is a Chanel walk. She has caviar leather. She has gold hardware. She still has stickers. She has felt. Oh, she has a burgundy lining. Oh my gosh. You guys, oh my gosh. I've wanted you for so long. Yes. I'm so happy, you guys. Oh my God. I don't know what has taken me so long to get this bag. I think it's just because, I don't know, there's just so many bags in so little time. But this has been on the top of my list forever. Look how beautiful. This is oh my gosh, I'm going to use you all the time. I'm going to take you everywhere I go. Okay, let me pull this chain out. The chain. I love my seller. Okay, let me pull this out. It's, oh wow. Oh wow. I am the proud owner of a Chanel walk. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let me pull the sticker off. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. I don't have any nails. I don't have any nails to pull the sticker off. Oh, here it comes. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, it's off. She's officially mine, you guys. Okay. I have wanted this for so long. You know, back in the day, I was kind of a big bag girl. And I still like a big bag, but I don't know if it's because I just find smaller bags so easy. And when you travel, if you have something like this, throw it in your Neverfull. It's perfect. But I think the older that I get, I'm finding big bags more cumbersome, and I'm just gravitating to smaller bags. You guys, this is a dream come true for me. I'm not gonna say it's my unicorn bag because I don't have a unicorn bag. I don't even know if I believe in a unicorn bag, to be honest with you, but I have wanted this bag for a really long time. I know the way my life is now, that this is something that I will use like crazy. This chain is like just jewelry. This makes my heart so happy. I can't even describe how I feel right now. I feel so happy and fortunate, and I'm thrilled with it, you guys, and I'm so happy to do this true unboxing with all of you. So yeah, I am, you know, I was talking to Autumn today, and I told her I am more of a Chanel girl than an Hermes girl. Of course, I only have one Hermes bag, and I know the leather is to die for. My Birkin, the leather is to die for. But it doesn't do for me what Chanel does. Chanel is just more my vibe. Now, if I never get another Birkin, I don't really care. I love the one I have. Love it. But I would be really happy with a garden party or a Picotin because of the leather. They're gorgeous. But I'm more of a Chanel girl. As a matter of fact, this is my bag of the week. My gorgeous pink, this beautiful pink bag. I had to go to the eye doctor today. I got some compliments on this gorgeous bag, and it has the ruthenium looking hardware. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. I'm a Chanel girl. I don't know what took me so long. I'm a Chanel girl late in life because I remember back in the day that Keith and I, we used to go to New York a lot, like at least once a year, sometimes twice a year. And I remember being in the Chanel boutique, and he would say, don't you want a Chanel bag? You know, because he was familiar with the name of it. He didn't know much about it, but, you know, and they were pretty cheap back then. I mean, cheap, but compared to now, you know? And I would say, oh my God, no, those are like rich old lady bags. And that's really how I felt. But we're talking about 18 years ago. When I was young and dumb. And now I'm a total Chanel lover, you guys. I'm so happy with the Chanel collection that I have been able to accumulate this past year, because last year, well, I told you guys I wanted to grow my Chanel collection, and I really have. I don't have a classic flap. I don't know if I ever will. I probably will, but it'll be pre-loved. And I was telling Autumn that as well, that I would never go in a Chanel boutique and spend $9,500 plus tax on a jumbo. It's just not gonna happen. I don't know if it could make me any happier than this has right now. I just love it. My heart, it's going pitter-patter, pitter-patter for my new little one. I'm just so happy. So, okay. I'm just so happy to have this, and I really, when this came available to me at a really good price, I had to get it. And I would love to have, well, I know that Autumn would love to have the boy walk. That's gorgeous. But I would love to have a red walk. I think that would be gorgeous. And then even maybe a gold. I love walks because I have other walks in my collection, but I don't have, you know, I didn't have anything like this. I have a fabulous one from Coach that I've had for a while, and I've used it quite a bit. But I think this is going to be, actually I'm going to my niece's wedding tomorrow. So this is going to be, the wedding will be her maiden voyage. So I'll be taking this with me to the wedding. I will probably use the heck out of this. So I just, you know, my lifestyle has changed so much because I don't work a public job. Back when I used to go into the office every day, and even when I was a nurse, I always had some kind of a large tote. And now, you know, when we go out, or back when we used to travel, I would always take something small and then like a Neverfull. So I know that I'm going to use this like crazy. I can't wait to do some outfits of the day with this. And I'll have to come back and play around with it with you guys and show you how I would pack it. But today I just wanted to do a true unboxing because tomorrow's the wedding, my niece's wedding, and I just couldn't wait. I can't believe that it has sat up here for a day and a half before I actually unboxed it. Thumbnail. So I'm really excited about tomorrow because, like I said earlier, my niece is getting married. She's been with her fiance for 7 years, you guys, since she was right out of high school. So I'm really excited, and I'm excited to carry my walk, and I'm also excited to have a reason to get dressed up. The only thing is, all of the attendees are supposed to be wearing cream. I ordered 3 dresses, and not one of them is here. That's the kind of thing that happens to me. But this will definitely be my bag for the wedding. And I wanted to say thank you to the subscriber who purchased my little pumpkin painting. So I'm going to take her downstairs tomorrow. I'm going to put some varnish on it. Put some varnish on this painting. And I have decided to start featuring some paintings here, and if there's anything that you ever see that you're interested in, yeah, just shoot me a message. So this is the painting, and once I put varnish on it, it just kind of brings all the colors to life and makes it look more vivid and just lively. So thank you so much to the subscriber who purchased this. I will get it mailed out as soon as the varnish is dry. And I am getting closer and closer to the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. There it sits, just sitting there waiting. Super excited about that. And I wanted to share one more thing with you guys. So I'm going to sell my Coach pillow bag. So let me run and get it. And if anybody is interested in it, I'll give you a pretty good deal. Okay guys, so I have carried this bag one time. She's a beauty. She is an immaculate, like brand new condition. She still smells really good with this strap and the adjustable strap. And on the Coach website, they are $4.95 plus tax. So I am selling this for $4.25 plus shipping, which won't be much. So that's a pretty good deal. And if you want to offer me, if you want to give me an offer, a reasonable offer, if it's reasonable, I'll probably accept it, because I would love for somebody to have this gorgeous, soft, I can't even believe I'm selling it. The only thing is, I've had it long enough. For some reason, I'm not reaching for it, but I do love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous and squishy. Oh my gosh, it's a beautiful bag. Oops, it's a beautiful bag, and it is for sale. So I'm asking for $4.25 plus shipping. Make me a reasonable offer, and she's yours. Just a beauty, okay? So I did want to offer that to you guys. And I also have something that somebody... If anybody is interested in a head massager, $49.95. But it's a really good deal because you can also mash potatoes with it. So this is kind of a 2-in-1 thing. Yeah, so just let me know if you're interested in this. All right, so that's about all I have for you today. But I did want to say that I'm going to be doing a follow-up skincare video, I'm going to take off all my makeup. I'm going to show you what my skincare regimen is. Winnie has requested this video, and I've had other people request, so I'm going to show you what I do morning and night to my skin. And since I had my micro needling, everything's looking pretty good. I was supposed to have gotten Botox Monday, but I didn't go. I've been sick this week, but I'm feeling some better. So anyway, yeah, my skin has, there's still a few little rough places here from where she microneedled it, but it's looking good. It's still kind of dry. That's another thing. Like once you have that process done, your skin is kind of dry. So you have to use that healing balm to really moisturize and hold in the moisture, and it does promote healing. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. And yeah, so next week I'll be doing a skincare video, and I will show you guys my skin up close and personal since I've had the microneedling. But yeah, this is this microneedling, it's a cumulative effect. Every time you have it done, you're building collagen, and it just keeps getting better and better, you guys. I can't get enough of it, so I absolutely love it. And thank you all who watched the video. And yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys. I wanted to say thank you so much for everything, all my new subscribers that I've had lately. And I will show you guys in another video how I plan to pack this bag. So that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to share my joy with you, and I will see you guys again on another day. Bye-bye. Peace.